How can I use the camera monitor's mark tool? First, let's talk about the aspect ratio markers. These allow you to crop the entire scene to your desired aspect ratio using a mask. The F5 Pro X supports
common horizontal ratios like
4:3, 16:9, as well as vertical ratios like 9:16. It even includes anamorphic widescreen ratios such as 2.35:1 and 1.85:1. The marker adjustment at the bottom lets you choose the mask's opacity. You can select that best suits your needs to avoid interferences. Next, let's talk about the safe frames, also known as the mask frame. This feature adjusts to your aspect ratio marker for a secondary refinement to ensure your subject is in the right position. The F5 Pro X offers 80% to 96% of safe frames. Usually, the safe frames is used in conjunction with a grid to aid in composition and to leave some safe space for later scaling and cropping adjustments in post-production. Additionally, you can choose the color of these frame lines to easily distinguish and identify them. Lastly, the center marker is designed to help you accurately determine the center of the frame, facilitating precise central composition. So, there you have it, using the framing assist tools within the monitor to enhance your video composition. Go ahead and try it out for yourself.